So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to compress video files in your Android smartphone. But before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So to compress video files in your smartphone, first of all open Play Store in your smartphone and search for video compressor. Here you can download any app you want. Just download this one. You can download any app you want. You can see the app is downloaded. Let's go and open the app. Allow all. Here you can see various files. Just go download and select this file and compress video. Here you have to select how much you want to compress. Just let's select 70%. Here you can see the compressing has started and it's compressing the 50 MB file to 27 MB. You can reduce further as you want. I am compressing only 70% till. So here you can see the file is compressed to 27 MB. So that's how you can compress video files in your Android smartphone. So that is all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.